Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you are using Google Chrome and your searches are set to Yahoo by default, the first thing you need to do is open a new Google Chrome browser window. Once it's open, head to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Next, you need to look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Search Engine. Under the option Search Engine Used in the address bar, click on the Change button and make sure it is set to Google. After that, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. From this section, you'll see a list of all the different search engines that are available, such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. To remove Yahoo, click on the three dots next to it and select Delete. Then, to make sure Google is always used, click on the three dots next to Google and set it as your default search engine. And that's it. Your search engine is now switched from Yahoo to Google in Chrome. And that's it. So that is how you can change Yahoo to Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. Thanks.